Hey guys, my name is Freedom. How to create a badminton court up to the standard scale for iClone 8 3D animation software. You need to have a badminton court which is completely up to the scale. The side is about 13.4 meter and another side is 6.1 meter, and everything will just up to the scale in my iClone 8 3D animation software. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you all this step by step how to make this ready for your 3D animations for any of the badminton games. Let's go. This is just a fresh new 3D project for iClone 8 3D animation software. So I click create surface, just create a plane. So now you can see you already have a plane. Next, you need to have a picture of the badminton court. You have the texture. This is the texture of the badminton court. This is just a JPG image. So now I'm going to just drag and drop onto the plane. Now it is going to add it as a material texture. So now I double click the plane and I press R so that I can rescale it. Now in this way you can just make it as a badminton court. It is really easy, but you need to make sure all are up to the scale. So you can just check any of the scale. For the side, it is about 13.4 meter. 13.4 meter. But then in iClone 8, each of the grid is 1 meter times 1 meter. So it is about 13. You can just press R to just rescale it to make sure it is about 13 boxes. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then you need to just make it 13. So count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So just a little bit like this. Alright, now it is about 13. Then what about the another side? It is about 6. So I check again. It is 6.1 meter for another side of the badminton court. 6.1 times 13.4 meter. So here it should be 6.1. 6.1, I just scale in that way. 6.1 something like this. Alright, now it already become a standard badminton court. It is really up to scale. And next, you just need to add a net at here. So that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create a badminton court up to scale for your iClone 8 3D animation software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings about 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. See you.